Hi, I'm Janica Humia from BSIT 121 and I'm going to present how to convert infix to postfix notation. First, postfix is an operand operator and infix is an operand operator operand. Ito yung example ng infix. Para i-transpose ang given na ito, A divide B times C plus D times E. Since merong nakalagay sa may parenthesis, so ito muna unahin natin. Step 1, copy A divide B times, then transpose C plus D to CD plus, then copy times E. Step 2, transpose A divide B to AB divide times, then copy CD plus and copy times E. Step 3, transpose the root node times. After AB divide CD plus, then add times E. Then this is the result of infix to postfix. Thank you.